This conference will now be recorded.
Yeah, so we are supposed to complete advance received from the customer scenario. For that, we have seen we have completed two steps. That is, we have created advance received reconciliation GL account, and we have done configurational settings which are very much required to process advance received from the customer in SAP system. Now, we are supposed to continue with step number 3, that is process advance received or down payment received of rupees 6,000 from the customer using F-29. Need not be 6,000. While you are practicing, you can take any amount. Just for example sake, I am taking 6,000. So please take the F-29 path. It is SAP Easy Access, SAP Easy Access, accounting, accounting, financial accounting, financial accounting, accounts receivable, accounts receivable, document entry, document entry, down payment, down payment, then double click on F-29 down payment. Double click on F-29 down payment. Double click on F-29 down payment. So double click on that F-29. Give the document date, today's date, document type DZ. By default it will be DZ only, so but we need to ensure that document type DZ have to be used while processing the down payment received or advance received from the customer. Company code MMI1 and posting date, today's date, posting period 4. With respect to posting period, if we give manually or do not give, doesn't matter, system will pick up automatically. Currency INR, currency INR, then give the customer number 1012501, our customer number. Important thing is special GL indicator. While processing down payment or advance received from the customer, special GL indicator must and should be given. By giving special GL indicator here, system will understand that we are processing down payment received from the customer or advance received from the customer. It will understand that it is not a normal payment or regular payment received from the customer. Rather, it is a payment received as an advance from the customer before we deliver the goods. So special GL indicator shall be given is A. A stands for down payment. Down payment. In case of vendor also it is same, A only. Then give the GL account, cash GL account 1,01,000. Amount, as I was mentioned in the step description, 6,000. Amount 6,000. Text, advance received from customer. Advance received from customer. Advance received from customer. You can give your own text, need not be the same, but it should indicate, it should represent the activity which we are doing. So advance received from customer, then press enter, press enter, press enter. Give star mark in amount field, give star mark in amount field, plus in text field, plus in text field. Give star mark in amount field, plus in text field. Click on post. Click on post. Click on post and get the message document was posted. Document was posted. If we go and see the customer account, we should have this advance received balance in the customer. So for that, step number 4, display customer line items using FBL5N. Display customer line items using FBL5N for viewing the advance received. Display customer line items using FBL5N for viewing the advance received. So give FBL5N in the command box. FBL5N in the command box. Press enter. Press enter. Give the customer number, customer account, that is 1012501, our customer number, company code MMI1, company code MMI1, select all items radio button, select all items radio button, click on execute on the top left, click on execute on the top left. Are we able to see 6,000 down payment? Nowhere
No.
we are able to see. No. Doesn't mean that
Special.
system has not captured. Yeah, special GL. Okay. So click on back. Click on back. Select special GL transactions checkbox here. The down left side you can see under the section type section. Select special GL transactions checkbox. Special GL transactions checkbox and click on execute. Click on execute. Now you can see 6,000, right? Visible?
Yes.
Right. Next, let us process the sales. Step number 5. Process customer invoice of rupees 30,000. Some amount, you can take any amount, 30,000 for the sales made using F-22, using F-22, using F-22 or FB70, FB70. So F-22 already I have given path earlier in earlier sessions. So directly I'm going with the code, T code, transaction code. So give F-22 in the command box. F-22 in the command box. Press enter. Give the document date. Document date. Document type must be DR because we are not processing payment. We are processing sales made to the customer. We are processing customer invoice or incoming invoice. Type DR, company code MMI1, MMI1, posting date, today's date, posting period 4, currency INR, then posting key 01 and give the customer account number 1012501, that is Manisha. Customer number, press enter, write down very carefully. I haven't pressed enter. So after giving customer number, press enter. Once I press enter, system will indicate one message. System will give one message. Let us see what message system will give us. What message system will display to us. So I'm pressing enter. Observe the screen carefully. See here, INR 6,000 down payment exists. INR 6,000 down payment exists. Against this customer, we have a pre-received amount from this customer. That's why it is showing 6,000. So give the amount 30,000. Then give the text, customer invoice processing for the goods sold. Customer invoice processing for the goods sold. Then posting key 50. Posting key 50. Then account, sales GL account 4 lakhs to sales GL account 4 lakhs to press enter. Press enter. Give star in amount field. Give star in amount field. Plus in text field. Plus in text field. Click on document on the main menu. Click on document on the main menu. Click on simulate. Click on simulate and click on post. Click on post. Click on post. You can see here post icon. It's looking like a floppy. Post. Yeah. So what we have done is we have processed 6,000 received advance. Then we have also processed sales made to the customer worth of rupees 30,000. Now how much amount we are supposed to receive, or how much receivable amount will be shown by the system if we go and see customer account? How much due amount as a receivable amount will be shown by the system? Is it 30,000 or 24,000 or 6,000? 24,000 it will show, but that showing 24,000, understanding 24,000 as 24,000 is subjected to conditions. Okay, let us see that step. It's only a simple step. Step number 6, display customer line items using FBL5N in order to know the receivable amount. Display customer line items using FBL5N in order to know the receivable amount. So give FBL5N in the command box. Give FBL5N in the command box. Press enter. Give FBL5N in the command box. Press enter. Give the customer number 1012501 Manisha. Company code MMI1, our company code. Select all items radio button. Select all items radio button. Select all items radio button and select special GL transactions checkbox. Select special GL transactions checkbox. Select special GL transactions checkbox. click on execute. Click on execute. See, the balance as receivable from the customer Manisha showed by the system is 24,000 only. But this is subjected to condition. What is that condition? Can you guess?
Whether we want to use that 6,000 for this payment or
Excellent, excellent. Yeah, down payment received from the customer Manisha. If we want to make use against this 30,000 invoice, receivable amount will be 24,000. If we don't want to use that, then customer has to pay 30,000. So let us assume that customer has requested to make use of this 6,000 against this 30,000 invoice. That means whatever the down payment received, that should be adjusted against this invoice. That should be set off against this invoice. That should be transferred against to this particular invoice. Okay, let us do that. Step number 7, important step, conceptually very important, so keep star mark for this. Conceptually very important. Transfer advance received, transfer advance received advance received or set off advance received against the customer invoice. Transfer advance received or set off advance received against the customer invoice using F-39, using F-39, using F-39. Please take down the path. So SAP Easy Access, SAP Easy Access, accounting, financial accounting, accounts receivable, then document entry, then down payment, then F-39 clearing, F-39 clearing. So double click on F-39 clearing, double click on F-39 clearing, double click on that. Then give the document date, today's date, document date, today's date, document type. Observe, it is not DR, DZ. System has taken defaultly as DA, document type. DA document type is also one of the standard document type provided by SAP to make use for the transactions processing related to the customer. Okay, so we are not processing invoice, we are not processing payment, customer payment. So we are not supposed to use either DR or DZ. So we are supposed to use other document type, that is DA, which is related to customer. So type DA, default it will be DA only, but we should ensure that document type is DA. See, these are all the questions which will be posed in the interview if you are appearing as a fresher. And please do remember that always people say that there is a wrong notion in the industry. There is no openings for freshers with respect to SAP. Please do remember that there are vacancies, there are openings available for SAP freshers as well. Okay. So document type DA, company code MMI1, posting date, give today's date, posting period 4, currency INR, then customer account 1012501, our customer 1012501. Then invoice reference, this is very important. See, while adjusting the down payment received, advance received from the customer, with respect to that customer, multiple invoices must be there for due payment. So against which invoice we want to make use of this down payment received, that invoice shall be given here. So as there is only one invoice which is pending for payment from the customer, by default system has taken that invoice as the reference. Just I'll show you. See, here there is only one invoice pending, DR. Okay, 80,004. As one invoice is pending for payment from the customer, by default system has taken that particular invoice while transferring the down payment or while adjusting the down payment or advance received from the customer. If we have multiple invoices which are pending for payment receipt, in that case we are supposed to mention manually against which invoice we want to make use of this down payment received or advance received. Okay, the next, give the text advance adjustment of advance received, adjustment of advance received against invoice 80,004, just for information sake, against invoice 80,004, adjustment of advance received against invoice 80,004. Continuation please. Click on process down payments on the top left. Click on process down payments. Click on process down payments. Yeah, write down very carefully. Before writing down, system is saying down payment amount, advance received amount is 6,000. Out of advance received 6,000, entire 6,000 amount is available to adjust. That is what is the meaning of available amount. Okay, then write down very carefully. Double click in transfer posting column. Double click in transfer posting column. Write down very carefully. Double click in transfer posting column in the place which is white in color. In the place which is white in color. I repeat, double click in transfer posting column in the place which is white in color. Observe what will happen if I double click. Right now I am double clicking. See, 6,000 has come here. Okay, then click on post. Click on post. And get the message document was posted. Document was posted. Next, I repeat once again whatever we have done so far. We have processed, initially we have received down payment of rupees 6,000. That has been processed. Then we have processed customer invoice worth of rupees 30,000. So against this invoice, whatever the down payment we have received, that has been adjusted. So out of 30,000, 6,000 down payment received has been adjusted. Now how much amount we are supposed to receive from the customer? Is it 30 or 24 or 6,000? Hello? Hello?
Sorry, can you repeat the question?
Now how much amount we are supposed to receive from the customer?
24.
24,000. Correct. So let us assume that customer has paid that amount. So step number 8, process customer payment or incoming payment of rupees 24,000 within brackets rupees 30,000 minus rupees 6,000. Process customer payment or incoming payment of rupees 24,000 using F-28. Using F-28. Right. So give F-28 in the command box. F-28 in the command box. F-28 in the command box. Press enter. Give the document date, today's date. Document type DZ. Document type DZ. DZ. Company code MMI1. Posting date, today's date. Posting period 4. Posting period 4. Currency INR. Currency INR. Then clearing text, customer payment. Clearing text, customer payment. Give the bank GL, sorry, cash GL account. Even if you want, you can give bank GL account if payment is received through bank in the form of check or in the form of DD or in the form of bank transfer, whatever it is. Then amount 24,000. Then text, give the text customer payment. Customer payment. Give the account customer number 1012501. 1012501. Click on process open items on the top left. Click on process open items on the top left. Observe here, amount received is 24, assigned is 24, not assigned is 0. Not assigned is 0. As not assigned field is having 0 balance, comfortably we can go ahead with the processing of the payment. So click on document on the main menu. Click on document on the main menu and click on simulate. Simulate. Click on post. Click on post and get the message document was posted. And get the message document was posted. So we have received complete amount from the customer. As we have received complete amount and the amount received has been processed in the system, if we go and see the customer account, what would be the receivable amount?
Zero.
What would be the receive? Yeah, it must be 0. Let us ensure that. Step number 9. Display customer line items using FBL5N and ensure that the receivable amount is 0. The receivable amount is 0. Display customer line items using FBL51 and ensure that the receivable amount is 0. So give FBL51 in the command box. FBL51 in the command box. Press enter. Press enter. Give the customer number 1012501. Company code MMI1. MMI1. Select all items radio button. Select all items radio button. Select special GL transactions checkbox. Select special GL transactions checkbox. Click on execute. Click on execute. Click on execute. See, the balance is 0. Balance is 0. Visible?
Yes.
Okay. So this is what is down payment received or advance received from the customer. Okay. Then next topic. Important. Next topic. Dunning. Dunning. D-U-N-N-I-N-G. Dunning. Dunning. Have you heard about this word dunning? Ever?
No.
How about Miraj? I have a question to make you understand what is dunning. Manisha, do you your mobile connection is a prepaid connection or postpaid connection?
It's a prepaid.
Prepaid. Have you ever used postpaid connection earlier?
No.
No. Do you have a landline connection at home? Not now, in the past.
Yeah, past I had. Yeah.
Yeah, if you remember very well, what we used to do is every month or every quarter or every 2 months, bi-monthly or every at the end of every month or every at the end of every quarter, we used to pay the telephone bill, right?
Yeah. Every month.
Right? For the telephone company, telephone network provider, we are the customers, right?
Yes.
Okay.
Yep.
Generally, what will happen? We will get the bill from the company. Okay, from BSNL in general. From the BSNL, we will receive the bill. On that bill, we will see the due date. Correct?
Yeah.
If we are paying on the due date, doesn't matter. If we do not pay, what will happen?
Like we need to pay fine
We need to pay fine. Okay.
and connection
Uh,
gets
uh, yeah, they will disconnect the connection. Okay, they will disable the connection, right? But before
yeah.
disabling, they will send one reminder. They will send either letter format or some voice format, like that they will send. They will remind you to make the payment, correct?
Yeah.
Similarly, when we have a star connection for Tata Sky or Airtel, whatever it is, when the due date is coming, they will send you the reminders,
Yeah.
correct? So your
Yes.
account is your account balance has been completed by so and so date. Please recharge your account, and otherwise it will be deactivated. Like that
Yeah.
messages we will get. Like that messages we will get. All those messages in general terminology we call them as reminders to the customers from the business. Correct?
Yeah.
Okay. So similarly, when business is selling the goods, it will give some credit period to its customers. like 15 days. That means 15 days or 10 days or 25 days, depending upon the relationship between the business and customer, it will give some credit period. After that period, customer has to make the payment. If customer is not making the payment, it is the responsibility of the business to send the reminders, reminding the customers to make the due payments. Correct?
Yes.
All customers are not good. Some customers, without reminders, they will make the payment. But some customers, there are some customers, even if we remind them also, they do not pay. So in that case,
Okay.
continuous pursuance must be there from the business in the form of sending reminders to the customers. So here, sending reminders to the customers in SAP terminology, we call it as dunning. So dunning, what is dunning? Dunning is the process of sending reminders to the customers, reminding them to make the payments which are due. So system automatically will send the reminders. Business manually no need to send the reminders. Rather, system itself will send the reminders. System itself will prepare the text. That reminder text it will prepare and it will send that text message to the customers. It will remind the customers automatically. So in order to send the
Okay.
reminders, yeah, in order to send the
Will the
reminders,
remind Yeah,
sorry.
one question. Will the reminders be sent after the credit period which is given or within that itself?
Correct. Yeah. After credit period, or even if you want before credit period, just before 2 or 3 days of lapse of credit period, you can send the reminders. Or afterwards also you can. It depends on the business how it wants to send the reminders. Whether on the date of on the last day of credit period, or just before 2 or 3 days of lapse of credit period, or after the credit period. How business wants it, in that pattern we can make the settings. Okay, right?
Okay.
But the point here is, to send the reminders, we need to prepare the text, correct?
Yeah.
Okay, how that text has to be prepared? Manually, we are not supposed to prepare the text. We are not supposed to type the text. System itself has to prepare the text. And the prepared message, the prepared text has to be sent by the system automatically to the customers, and looking at that received message, looking at that reminder message, customers will make the payment. So to happen like this, SAP has provided a program which is called as dunning program. So SAP has provided a program called dunning. By implementing this dunning program, business will be able to send the reminder messages to the customers, which will facilitate the customers to make the payment to the business. So to prepare the text, to send the text, what are all the configurational settings that are required, that will be covered under the heading, under the topic called dunning. Understood what is dunning?
Yeah.
Right. So please take some points. Dunning. Dunning is the process of sending. Dunning is the process of sending reminders to the customers. Dunning is the process of sending reminders to the customers, reminding them to make the payment of due amounts. Dunning is the process of sending reminders to the customers, reminding them to make the payment of due amounts. Next point. Generally, there are 9 levels of dunning. 9 levels of dunning. But in real time, majority of the business organizations majority of the business organizations are following a Dunning procedure with four Dunning levels. Four Dunning levels. Four Dunning levels only. Generally, there are 9 levels of Dunning, but in real time, majority of the business organizations are following a Dunning procedure with 4 Dunning levels only. Then the question comes, what is Dunning level? Please take a point. Dunning level indicates the intensity of the reminder. Dunning level indicates the intensity of the reminder. What do we mean by intensity of the reminder? See, generally, when business is sending reminder for the first time, the business will be more polite, saying that likely it will like this. It will say, so and so respected customer, so and so amount is due on so and so date. Kindly make the payment. So politely it will say for the first time. So after receiving the first reminder, if customer pays the amount, doesn't matter. If he is not making payment, again it has to send the reminder. That is second reminder. While sending the second reminder, that politeness will be reduced to some extent. Still he is not paying, again business has to send the third reminder. It will be bit harsh. And fourth reminder, more harsh. Getting my point? Understood the
Yeah.
concept, please? Okay, so that Dunning level will indicate the intensity of the reminder. Okay, so 9 levels, standardly 9 levels SAP has provided, but majority of the organizations are using only 4 Dunning levels. Okay, now to happen this, what are all the configuration settings that we require? Let us see. Step number 1. Define Dunning procedure. Define Dunning procedure using define Dunning procedure or oblique settings required for enabling Dunning. Define Dunning procedure or settings required for enabling Dunning using FBMP. FBMP transaction code. T code is FBMP. Please take down the path. It's SAP Easy Access. SAP Easy Access. SPRO. SPRO. Presenter. SAP reference IMG. SAP reference IMG. Write down very carefully. I will go very slowly because a lot of settings we are supposed to do. So click on SAP reference IMG. Then financial accounting. Financial accounting. Financial accounting. Then accounts receivable and accounts payable. Accounts receivable and accounts payable. Accounts receivable and accounts payable. Then business transactions. Business transactions. Business transactions. Business transactions. business transactions, then dunning, 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 then dunning procedure, dunning procedure, dunning procedure, then define dunning procedure, define dunning procedure, define dunning procedure. You can see the transaction code FBMP, last 4 digits, T code, transaction code. So click on clock icon beside define dunning procedures. Click on clock icon beside define dunning procedures. Write down very carefully. Click on new procedure. Click on new procedure. Visible this new procedure tab?
Yes.
Yeah, so click on this new procedure. Yeah, dunning procedure. It's an 4-digit alphanumerical code. You can give 4 alphabets or 4 numbers or combination of alphabetics and numericals. So it's an alphanumerical code generally. So for my easy remembrance sake, I am taking MMI1. Need not be MMI1. You can take your own code, which is a 4-digit code. Maximum 4, minimum is 1. Name, nothing but description. Just I am giving dunning procedure for MMI1. Dunning procedure for MMI1. Then next, under general data section, you have dunning interval in days. Dunning interval in days means dunning interval days, nothing but interval between one reminder to next reminder. Between 2 reminders, how many number of days you want to have a break, you want to have an interval gap. So that is called as dunning interval, frequency of days between one reminder to another reminder. Suppose today you have sent reminder to the customer. Again, when do you want to send the second reminder? After second reminder, how many days you want to take? So that frequency, that interval number of days shall be mentioned here. So just I am giving 15 days. You can give 10 or 5, whatever it is. Next, number of dunning levels. As I was mentioning, 9 levels. So majority of the business organizations are using 4 dunning level, dunning procedure with 4 dunning levels. This is an interview question, please do remember. So I'm giving 4. Then do not give anything here, total due items from dunning level. Do not restrict the system. So by not giving any data here, it will consider unlimited, indefinite line items, indefinite due amounts. So minimum days in arrears. Minimum days in arrears means after how much due number of days you want to send the reminder. Okay, so just I'm giving 10. Okay, suppose today is due, customer is supposed to pay the amount today. So as it is a due, as today is the due date, and as he is supposed to make the payment, if he has paid, no problem. Assume that he has not paid the amount. Today he is supposed to pay, but he did not pay. So from today's date, how many days you want to pay, you want to wait, and after that, and after how many days you want to send the reminder. That is what is nothing but minimum days in arrears. Okay, then write down carefully. Select standard transaction dunning checkbox. Select standard transaction dunning checkbox. Select standard transaction dunning checkbox. I will let you know after some time why we are supposed to select this option. Select standard transaction dunning checkbox. Then press enter. After selecting this checkbox, press enter and get the warning message. Reference dunning procedure as 0 levels. Please write down the message. Get the warning message. Reference dunning procedure has 0 dunning levels. Ignore the warning message. Ignore the warning message. Ignore the warning message. Press enter. Ignore the warning message. Press enter. Then click on Dunning Levels tab on the top left. Click on Dunning Levels tab on the top left. Dunning Levels. On the top left, you can see that. So click on that Dunning Levels tab. Then select Always Done in Legal Dunning Procedure checkbox. Select Always Done in Legal Dunning checkbox. Last item. Select Always Done in Legal Dunning procedure. This option, activation of this option will ensure that while sending the message, reminder message, system ensures that the message which is supposed to be sent as a reminder must be in those words which are legally accepted. Okay, that means it will ensure that the message should not contain any unparliamentary words. Okay, so that is the reason why we are supposed to enable this always done in legal dunning procedure. Select the checkbox always done in legal dunning procedure. Then continuation, click on charges tab on the top left. Click on charges on the top left. Give the currency INR. Give the currency INR. Press enter. Press enter and dunning level. You can see dunning level 1. That means for the first reminder, dunning amount, that means due amount. If the due amount, just I am giving 50,000. If it is 50,000, then dunning charge, you can mention 100 or 500, whatever it is. Just I am mentioning 500. See, for sending the reminders, organization will incur some expenses. It is making use of its resources. It is sacrificing its resources in the form while sending the messages, or dunning the customer. Therefore, customer will be charged. So how much customer has to be charged, that is called as dunning charge, and how much amount customer has to be charged, that amount shall be mentioned. Likewise, for all dunning levels, we have to mention the dunning charges amount. So just I am mentioning for only one dunning level. If the due amount is 50,000, then only system will consider 500 as the dunning charge. Otherwise, it will not consider. Then continuation, please. Click on minimum amounts. Click on minimum amounts tab. Click on minimum amounts tab. Minimum amounts. Give the currency INR. Give the currency INR. Press enter. Press enter. And here again, dunning level 1. Minimum amount. Minimum amount. You can give minimum amount. Any amount you can give. Just I am giving 50,000. What is this minimum amount? See, if the minimum amount receivable from the customer is 50,000, then only system consider that customer to send the reminder. If the amount to be received from the customer is less than 50,000, though the amount is due, system will not consider that customer while sending the reminder. So if the minimum receivable amount from a particular customer is 50,000, then only system will consider that customer for sending the reminders. Getting my point clearly?
Yeah.
Right? Then continuation, please. Click on Dunning Text tab. Click on Dunning Text tab. So click on Dunning Text. Give the company code, our company code MMI1. Give the company code MMI1. Press enter. Press enter. Press enter. Continuation, please. Click on new company code tab on the top left. Click on new company code on the top left. New company code on the top left. And give the company code, our company code MMI1. Give the company code, our company code MMI1. Press enter. Press enter. Observe here, our company code is appearing on the top. Visible? Right.
Yes.
So write down very carefully. Select Dunning by Dunning area checkbox. What is Dunning area? It is not required for finance consultant. It is very much required for sales consultant, SD consultant. Then separate notice per Dunning level. That means individual text message will be sent for each and every Dunning level. So select separate notice per Dunning level. Write down carefully. Select Dunning by Dunning area checkbox. Select separate notice per Dunning level checkbox. Click on save. Click on save. Click on save. Again click on save. Again click on save. Press enter. Press enter. Continuation, please. Click on back option. Write down very carefully. Click on back option, back button, back arrow, back option. Write down very carefully. Click on Dunning text tab. This is very important. Click on Dunning text tab, Dunning text tab, and give the company code, our company code MMI1. Give our company code MMI1. MMI1. Give our company code MMI1. Press enter. Press enter. Press enter. Right. Here under normal, give 1. Leave the Dunning procedure tab. Form. This is very important. Write down very carefully. F150 underscore done underscore 01. Similarly, give 2 form number F150 underscore done underscore 02. Again 3 F150 underscore done underscore 03. Again 4 Dunning levels. No, we have mentioned, and in the form field F150 underscore done underscore 04. So here 1, 2, 3, 4. This is form, nothing but it's a pre-developed program. Pre-developed program given by SAP, provided by SAP. F150 underscore done underscore 01 for first reminder. Second reminder F150 underscore done underscore 02. For the third reminder F150 underscore done underscore 03. For the fourth reminder program is form is F150 underscore done underscore 04. See, these are all the pre-developed forms or pre-developed programs provided by SAP, and these programs system will make use of these programs 01, 02, 03, 04. System will make use of these 4 pre-developed programs while sending the reminders to the customers. These programs will help the systems in preparing the reminder of the text and in sending the prepared text as a reminder to the customer. We do not need to prepare the text manually. By using this program F150 underscore done underscore 01, system will prepare the reminder 1 text. By using 02 program, reminder 2 text will be prepared. Likewise, form number 3, form number 4. Understood?
Yes.
Right? So if you have 9 levels, similarly F150 underscore done underscore 05, 06, 06 and 08, 09, 08, 09. Like that you can maintain. So for 4 only I am giving, because in dunning procedure we have mentioned it as 4 dunning levels. Click on back. Click on back. Click on save. Click on save and press enter. Get the message dunning procedure was saved. You can see the message in the bottom left side. Get the message dunning procedure MMI1 was saved. Now, so we have created dunning procedure. Next step, important step. Step wise it is very easy. Execution of step wise very easy, but conceptually it is very important. So keep star mark. Step 2, assign dunning procedure MMI1 in customer master using FD02 or XD02. Assign dunning procedure MMI1 in customer master using FD02 or XD02. Yeah. So please take down the path. It is SAP Easy Access. SAP Easy Access. Accounting. Financial accounting. Accounts receivable. Then master records. Sorry, accounts receivable, master records. Double click on FD02 change. Double click on FD02 change. So double click on that FD02 change. Give the customer number 1012501. Our customer number Manisha 1012501. Give the company code MMI1. Give the company code MMI1. Press enter. Write down very carefully. click on company code data tab on the top, second tab from the left. Click on company code data tab, company code data tab. Then click on correspondence tab, third tab please. Click on correspondence tab. You can see here Dunning procedure visible. Right?
Yes.
Is it visible? Yeah. So give assign Dunning procedure MMI1. Dunning procedure MMI1. And observe Dunning level field is empty. Last done field is also empty. There is no data in these two fields. Remember this. I'll come back to these two fields later on. So Dunning procedure give MMI1, and remember the Dunning level field is with 0 input. Last done is also doesn't have any details, any data in this field. So click on save. Get the message changes have been made. You can see the message on the bottom left side. Changes have been made. Right. Next step. Step number 3. Again important star mark. Step number 3. Process customer invoice. Process customer invoice using F-22 with the previous posting date for the goods sold. Process customer invoice using F-22 with the previous posting date for the goods sold. Why with previous posting date? Any logic?
Yeah, so that we can send the reminder and set
Yeah, so
the.
that, yeah, correct. So that the amount to be received is overdue, right? Okay. And as to send the reminder, amount must be due or it is overdue. So therefore, to have overdue amount, we are supposed to process the invoice with old date. So give F-22 in the command box. F-22 in the command box. Press enter. Press enter. Just I am giving 01062019. First of last month. 0106-2019. Give the document type DR. DR is the document type used for processing customer invoice. Company code MMI1. Company code MMI1. Posting date is also previous date 0106-2019. Then posting period will be 4 or 3.
3.
3. So posting period 3. Currency INR. Currency INR. Posting key 01. Customer account 1012501. 1012501. Press enter. Press enter. Press enter. Give the amount. Let's say I'm giving 1,05,000. Some amount I'm taking. More than 50,000 I'm taking. 1,05,000. Text. Customer invoice processing for the goods sold. Customer invoice processing for the goods sold. Posting key 50. Give the sales GL account 4 lakhs to. Press enter. give star in amount field, plus in text field, star in amount field, plus in text field. Click on document on the main menu. Click on simulate. Click on simulate. Click on post. Click on post. Now, next step, step number 4. Again important. Step number 4, display customer line items using FBL5N in order to know the receivable amount. Display customer line items using FBL5N in order to know the receivable amount. So give FBL5N in the command box. Give FBL5N in the command box. Press enter. Press enter. Give the customer number, company code. Select all items radio button. Select all items radio button. Click on execute on the top left. Click on execute on the top left. See, it is due, right? 1,05,000. Visible?
Yeah.
But system is not showing whether it is due or overdue. Just look at this. Let me. There is one key here. Dunning key, sales stock profit center, withholding tax. There is an column called due dates, due symbol, it seems. Payment date, day 1, days 2, baseline payment date, terms of payment, assignment, reference. Yeah, net due date symbol. See here. It says overdue. Visible?
Yes.
Overdue means he is supposed to pay. So far he has not paid. So what we can do is let us send him the reminder. Okay. Next step. Step number 5. Hope you are with me.
Yes.
Okay. So execute Dunning program using F150. Execute Dunning program using F150 in order to send reminder to the customer. Execute Dunning program using F150 in order to send reminder to the customer. Please take down the path. SAP Easy Access. SAP Easy Access, accounting, financial accounting, accounts receivable, then periodic processing, F150 dunning. Double click on F150 dunning. Double click on F150 dunning. So I'm double clicking on that. Write down very carefully. So double click on F150 dunning. So give the run on date, today's date, 15/07/2019. 15/07/2019. Then identification. You can give any code, any number or letter or two digits or 3 digits or 4 digits or 5 digits. So just I'm giving MMI1. Then click on parameter tab. Click on parameter tab. Second tab. Click on parameter tab. Give the dunning date, today's date. Dunning date, today's date. Then give the dunning date as today's date. Documents posted up to. Give today's date. Then company code. For multiple company codes related customers, you can send the reminders at a time. Okay, so just as we have only one company code, I'm giving MMI1 company code. Then customer, our customer number shall be given here. What is our customer number? Just 111012501. So customer, from customer and to customer. If you have multiple customers to send the reminders, the range shall be given. So as we have only one customer created in the system, from customer and to customer will be same. 1012501 to 1012501. Clear so far?
Yeah. But
Okay.
why do
Then
we have this vendor option over there? Is it to send the reminders to them even?
To the vendors also we can use this dunning program. Suppose you have
But
ordered for some material to be sent. You have ordered for material. It is supposed to receive today. He has to supposed to supply today, but he hasn't supplied. You can send him reminder to send the material, right?
okay. And one more thing,
Okay.
like run on date, what does that means?
Today we are running. Today. It can be
Okay,
yesterday
like
or
the
it can be
reminder
today.
will be sent today or
Need not be today. It can be previous date as well. But it
okay.
cannot be future date. Okay, future activity we cannot done today, no?
Yeah.
Getting my point? Okay, so run date in generally what will happen is twice in a month or at the end of every month, this dunning program will be executed. The date on which you are trying to execute this program to send the reminders, that date will be run on date and dunning date. Both are same. Getting my point?
Yeah, but we have even in config means when we were doing the setting, we even mentioned that like after how many days this reminder will be sent. So
That is what.
does this
See
happen?
that. No. See, though you have given this date, system will consider that frequency of the dates basing on the posting date of the document. See, today we are executing this program to send reminder to this customer. While sending the reminder to the customer, system will check all the invoices against this customer, and it will pick up those customer invoices which are due since last 10 days only. Suppose with respect to this customer, we have 15 invoices which are pending. Out of 15 invoices, assume only 10 invoices are pending since last 10 days or since last 15 days. Only those invoices will be picked up by the system. Getting my point?
Okay. Yeah.
Okay. So give the customer from number and to number. Click on individual dunning notice tab on the top left. Click on individual dunning notice. Individual dunning notice. Click on individual dunning notice and give the company code, our company code, MMI1. Even if you give also, do not give also, system will accept. Then give the output device. Output device is nothing but printer. In real time, actual printer code shall be given. For every printer, each and every printer will be configured in the system, and for every printer, there is one number or one code. That code shall be given. But here, as we do not have any printer, just we give LP01. System will consider this LP01 as a dummy printer. Okay. So LP01 is the code used to represent a dummy printer. Am I clear?
Yes.
Okay. Then give the output device as LP01. Then select print preview checkbox. Select print preview checkbox. Click on sample printout. Visible? Click on sample printout. Sample printout. Once you click on that, system will display the message to be sent to the customer as a reminder. See, first dunning notice, sample printout to so and so. Look at here. If you come down, dear sir oblique madam, the invoices listed below are due for payment. If you have paid the amounts due in the intervening period, please disregard this letter. See, did we manually prepare this letter or this reminder?
No.
We have not.
No.
System itself has prepared this letter. Where from system has picked up this text, all these details? We have given some program form names. Yeah, F150 underscore done underscore 01. So from those forms, system has picked up this message. Okay. Continuation. See, it is saying what? It is a sample printout. Okay. Then click on back. Click on back. Click on continue. Here, click on continue. Click on printout. Here, click on printout. The moment you click on printout, system will give a question. Should dunning printout be run? If you click on yes, that reminder letter will be printed by the printer. So click on yes. See, first dunning notice. Earlier there was a text sample printout. Now there is no text like that. Observe? Okay. So this is the letter, this is the reminder which will be sent automatically by the system to the customer or consumer. Okay. Then click on back. Click on back. Click on continue. Continue. Click on close here or cancel. Here, red button. That's it. We are done, and we have able to create the reminder text. Okay, we are done with dunning. But if we go and see the customer master, to this customer only we have sent the reminder, right? 1012501, correct?
Yeah.
If we go and see the customer master, we should know the data, we should have the data stating that this customer has been done, this customer has been sent reminder. Okay, as we have sent the reminder in the customer master, that data must be updated. Let us see that. Next step, last step, step number 6. Display customer master using FD03 or XD03 to view the updated dunning details or reminder details. Display customer master using FD03 or XD03 to view the updated dunning details or reminder details. So please take down the path. It's SAP Easy Access. SAP Easy Access. SAP Easy Access, accounting, financial accounting, accounts receivable, master records, FD03 display. Double click on FD03 display. So double click on that. Give the customer number 1012501. Give the customer number 1012501. Company code MMI1, our company code MMI1. Press enter. See here, dunning level 1, last done. That means last done means the date of the reminder which has been sent on which date, the data has been updated. I told you to remember earlier when we were assigning dunning procedure, these two fields are empty.
Yes.
I told you to remember, right? So now system has updated. So looking at the master data of the customer, we will come to know that how many times this customer has been sent reminders. Here it is 1 means so far 1 reminder has been sent. On which date it has been sent? 15/7/2019. Suppose after some days he has not paid, again we will send the reminder. After sending the second reminder, this dunning level field will be with number 2 and this last done date will be changed. Understood?
Yeah.
Okay. So this is what is the concept of dunning. Okay. So I'm done with the session.